Can you hear that? That's my new silent mouse. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and I show you how to make profitable content. Alright, so in this video, I'm doing a review, an unboxing of the Deluxe silent wireless mouse. And you might be thinking, a mouse, how exciting. Well, I was seriously excited about this because this was my previous mouse. This is a Logitech mouse, and I had actually been using it for years, but I edit videos. As you can see, I'm a YouTuber. I have an online coaching business. I edit videos for ourselves and for clients. And after using this mouse, not only was it really loud, and you would click all the time, and if you're editing, you know what I'm talking about when you got to click and you got to split that thing and you move the media and you're just clicking. And it was actually causing me some hand pain. If you're on the computer for as long as I am and you're using a mouse that is too small for your hand, and I have small hands, it's going to cause some hand pain. And one of the things suggested from my hand physiotherapist was to get a better mouse. Introducing the Deluxe silent wireless mouse. Here's why I bought this. 1, it is silent. This is me actually clicking compared to this. Noticeably different. The design and size of it. It fits great in my hand. It's not too small. It's wireless. Wasn't very expensive at all. I got it for about $35 on Amazon.ca. It's likely cheaper in the US. And I will say I was a little bit skeptical at first because it's not like a known name brand, right? Like this one is Logitech. And this one is called Deluxe. So I was slightly wary at first, with it being a no-name brand, but I saw the reviews and they were awesome. I also like the design of it. So this is unique. I haven't seen this before. Is that it comes with another sort of style piece and you can actually interchange them. I have the black version of the mouse, but you can also get the white one. My business partner has the white one. Let me just call her. Marie! Show me the white mouse of the Deluxe. No, bring it over here. Oh. Thank you, Vanna White. All right, so this is the white version. Also really sleek, really cool design. Looks really good. Now, this kind of a mouse is for an above average user, meaning you use your computer every day. You're not a gamer. This is not a gaming mouse. So these are the two versions here. And let me just show you. You can easily remove it and change it. Change the cover by pushing the back part here. And you just push it up, slides out. And this is also where the battery is. And it just takes a regular AA battery. Usually the battery compartment is at the bottom and you have to remove a piece. But I like the functionality and the design. I honestly think it's really cool. And you can easily remove the battery like that. Put it in, change it real quick, and then slide this back on. You get bored of this design, switch it over to the other design. This is has a bit of a cloth material. My only thing that I would say is that because it has a little bit more of a cloth feel, if you have sweaty palms, it may get dirty, possibly smell over time. Something to keep in mind. And if you want to change it to the fabric cover, just slide it over and then boom, there you go. And now it honestly looks like with the fabric cover like a designer mouse. And then, okay, I don't like this design anymore, switch it back. You could even, if you got both the black and the white mouse, do like a black and white dual color thing. So here's the white one that I just took off, and then you put it on here, and then it's like, boom. I actually really like this, but this one is my business partner's. I'm gonna ask her if I can switch. So I've literally been using this mouse every day for about 3 months now, and out of all the computer mouses, however you say it, that I've ever used in my life, mice, as I'm being told, This one is my favorite, and it is the not so name brand Deluxe. It's got a typical USB plug-in. You know, you can use the rotating thing here, the 2-click. I don't use the side buttons. It says that the battery lasts up to 180 days of daily use. There is an on-off button, so make sure to turn it off at the end of the day when you're not using it anymore. If you're an entrepreneur, you have your own business, you're on your laptop every day, I do highly recommend this mouse. The links for this will be down in the description below. If you found this video informative and entertaining, please consider using my links. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, that's all I can say about the mouse. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.